stock markets are hitting all-time highs. The US government is openly making tens of billions on insider trades, and Iran is issuing an impossible $11 trillion ultimatum. Do you think this growth is the return of the bull market? Take off your rose-colored glasses. This is a massive short squeeze and the final trap before the Fed meeting. Daily Market Review, Saturday, April 25th. Let's start with how the elite makes money. The Trump administration executed the most successful trade in government history. In August, they poured billions into falling Intel stock instead of giving them a regular grant. Recently, the report came out. Shares skyrocketed 20%, and the US paper profit reached $25.7 billion, almost 300% profit in 8 months. While you lose on alt, the government plays hedge fund. Meanwhile, the S&P 500 index broke 7,100 points. But this is a deadly bubble. Goldman Sachs data shows companies tied to artificial intelligence now make up 45% of the entire index. This is more than the entire IT sector had at the peak of the dot-com crash in the year 2000. AI company debt reached almost $1.5 trillion, and a disappointment in tech will crash the entire global market. And now to geopolitics. Negotiations are dead. Trump took a radical step. Iran demanded J.D. Vance's presence, so Trump intentionally left him at home and sent Kushner and Witkoff. In response, Tehran issued an insane ultimatum. The Strait of Hormuz will remain closed until the US returns $11 trillion in frozen assets. This is physically impossible. On top of that, Tether, tipped off by the US, blocked $344 million of Iranian funds on the Tron network. Diplomacy is over. It's a game of raising the stakes. The ceasefire is expired. How did crypto react on this? Bitcoin jumped to 79,500. Was this organic demand? No, this was a classic short squeeze. In 24 hours, $1.2 billion of shorts were liquidated. At the same time, there is simply no spot buying. All the growth is built on futures leverage. It is a crystal castle. My strategy: I'm always honest with you. My S&P 500 short got stopped out, and I took a $4,000 loss. But on Bitcoin, I caught the absolute peak. I entered a short at $79,200. And my stock is already at break even. I turned off my Bitcoin long board, taking $700 of pure profit. The short board is still running. Ahead are April 27th and 28th, the Fed rate decision, the Bank of Japan meeting, and the Iran deadline. After these dates, the market could fall in half. What do you think? Are you going long or preparing for a crash with me? Write in the comments. We continue tomorrow.